Hello, Julius here, and in this video I will tell you how to authenticate documents, or in Czech term, vidimace. Let's get right into it. So what is this vidimace or authentication? They will make copy of a certain document and they will confirm or authenticate it that this copy is from the original document. What is this good for, this vidimace or authentication? When you need to pass something to the government offices, you can just give them the authenticated copy and they will accept and recognize it. Just like I'm saying always, don't or never give your original documents. You can do authentication or vidimace mostly in Česká pošta. Just make sure they have the checkpoint, like this logo, because not all Česká pošta have it. You will see right away if the Česká pošta has checkpoint, because outside the Česká pošta there's some signage and you can see right away if there's some checkpoint there or something like that. So just remember the logo, like this logo. Okay, what you need to bring. You only need to bring the documents you need to authenticate and money. So how much it costs? One page of authentication costs 30 korun plus copy prices. I will put here the prices of a copy.
After they copy and authenticate your document, it should have this sticker on the last page of the document or on the bottom part if it is a single page document, and they will stamp it, this one.
Now you know how to do it. Go there and try it. If you have more questions, write it down to the comment section below. I'm Julius. Thank you for watching.